Hey, this is Racicot with Stone Glacier. I'm going to take you through how to install the Chilkoot 32-degree quilt onto a sleeping pad, as well as how to adjust it for the proper temperature. On the bottom side of the quilt, there are 4 elastic straps, and these straps serve 2 different functions. The first function is to adjust the width of the opening, so you can have it closer when there are cooler conditions to reduce draft, or open them up in warmer conditions to get more airflow. So, one of the first things that we're going to do is we are going to set the 2 straps without a loop. We're going to set these for colder conditions. So I'm going to tighten that up, close up the gap, and we have that set. Now the next step is you have 2 loops. These loops are going to go around your sleeping pad. So you want to adjust this loop using the tri-slide on top to the approximate diameter of your sleeping pad. So I've already set these. Then we're going to take the quilt, roll it onto the sleeping pad, fold it back. We have our loop. Now we can run our loop around the pad. You can move it down to the position that you want. So when you fold it back, your head's still going to be on the pad. We're going to move to the bottom, grab our other loop, go around the end. And then you can adjust it so your 2 buckles are in the center. Now you can adjust these 2 buckles depending on what type of airflow that you want. In cooler conditions, you can slide these closer together on the strap, close the gap up, or in cooler conditions, you can open it up. Go back to the top. I'm going to move this just a little bit. Same thing here, you can grab the strap, center it on the bag. We're going to close this up just a little bit. And now we have the gap on the bottom set for cooler conditions. To get into the quilt, we suggest opening the top strap. And now you can climb in just like a sleeping bag. Once you're in, you can reach around your back, close the clip. And once you lay down, you have the option of using the snap on the back of the neck, and also the magnetic closure if you want to close off the draft. If you have any questions about fit, function, or installing the quilt, please give us a call here at the shop.